Raise the vibration up in this biatch. One big giant magic mushroom.
Right, so what it's doing, it's not taking collective consciousness into consideration. It's invalidating that, and this is one of the paradoxes of solipsism. So during mania,
I can't stop laughing. Emma's world. I said Emma's world, not Emma's world.
taken on a new definition as society will evolve as a collective group. And bad is a sort of paradoxical word because bad has negative connotations. But, right, and it allows dark forces to impenetrate.
One big giant magic mushroom.